Bonanza 030, contact Nantucket Tower 118.3, good day.
18.3, so long, 03 Sierra.
Tombo 311, runway 6, line up and wait, traffic, Bonanza, 6 mile final.
Runway 6, line up and wait, Tombo 311.
Tombo 311, New Deltas, current wind 0308, visibility 10, ceiling 700 broken, altimeter 29992.
We got it, we got Delta from you, thank you.
Cirrus 10 Lima, turn left at Charlie, contact ground.
Charlie and over to ground, 941 Lima. Nantucket Tower, Bonanza 903 Sierra is with you on the approach.
Tombo 311, turn left heading 010, runway 6, cleared for takeoff. Traffic now 4 mile final, Bonanza.
Heading 010, runway 6, clear for takeoff, Tombo 311.
Bonanza 9003 Sierra, Nantucket Tower, runway 6, cleared to land, wind 0506, altimeter 29993, traffic departing prior.
Okay, clear to land 603 Sierra. Flaps 10.
40 LB, hold short, runway 6, ready for departure.
Falcon 40 Lima Bravo, Nantucket Tower, hold short of runway 6, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 6, 40 Lima Bravo.
There's the airport. That wasn't too hard.
Tombo 311, contact departure. Have a good flight.
To departure, Tombo 311.
Autopilot disconnects.
Gears down.
500.
Flaps are 10. Wheels in. Fixture is set.
Nantucket Tower, Gamma Jet 862, Craig, inbound ILS runway 6.
Gamma Jet 862, Nantucket Tower, wind 037, altimeter 29993, runway 6, continue, expected departure in position.
Continue for Gamma Jet 862, and what to expect?
Gamma Jet 862, expect traffic holding in position prior to your arrival.
Gamma Jet 862.
Flaps full. Top full.
Falcon 40 Lima Bravo, Nantucket Tower, runway 6, line up and wait, traffic 4 mile final, King Air, be ready to go.
We'll be ready to go. Line up and wait, runway 6, 40 Lima Bravo.
Bonanza 03 Sierra, turn left, taxiway Charlie, contact ground.
Left Charlie over to ground, 03 Sierra.
Falcon 0 Lima Bravo, turn left heading 010, runway 6, clear for takeoff, traffic now 2.5 mile final.
0 clear for takeoff, runway 6, 40 Lima Bravo.
Gamma Jet 862, runway 6, clear to land, traffic departing.
Runway 6, clear to land, got traffic departing, Gamma Jet 862.